Today let's do a continuous line drawing of this pretty gull by Watizia on Pixabay. Today we're going to use an Elegant Writer calligraphy pen to learn how to do a continuous line drawing. I've chosen this seagull standing or flying or landing, whatever he's doing, on this wooden deck. The idea is that once you start drawing, you cannot pick your pen up. Sometimes they come out really cool looking, and sometimes they're really funny looking. And sometimes you want to just throw it in the trash, but we're going to give it a try. So the reason that I'm doing this is because when you do this, sometimes you get into the habit of looking at the photo more than looking at what you're drawing. So I'm going to start with the body right here. And I see a neck, a head. This is easy enough. And it goes down to a round body. And then I'm going to go up to where this wing is coming out really high. And it just comes back to there. And I come back up that wing and do the other one, and they make a V. It comes up here, and then they have little separated feathers. And then back around, kind of rounded right there, and it ends on the head. And it got a little too far to the left, but that's okay. I'm going to do this eye. The tricky part is the face. I'm going to come over to this eye, and I'm going to do the beak. And it has little sides. And I'm going to come back over and come down here. And I'm going to do the tail, which comes out like this. And I'm going to come down the body to the legs. This leg is slanted. It has a knobby knee. FedEx guy came right when I turned this on. So we're going to pretend that I didn't get interrupted. I'm going to come back up to the leg, across the bottom of the body, and over here where his little leg is standing up. It's up off the ground. And now I'm going to come back over here and do the deck. And the deck has more planks. Come back up. Go around here, around the wing to do the rest of the deck. Don't worry if you get wonky lines. That's the part of the charm of it. Okay, and now I'm going to come back down the leg and down the foot to another plank. Come down here to do that plank, and I'm going to be done with planks. Now I'm going to make different lines across the planks. This one's getting a lot of lines. Going around the bottom, the wing, and I'll put a plank right there. And I'm going to use a paintbrush to fill this in. But when you get the ink from the Elegant Writer wet, it separates out into different colors. And you need something to dab with. So I'm going to start up here. And when you dab, you can really see the pinks and the blues and the purples. It is really fun to do. Get some more water. Now down here, we've got more color on the wing. Okay, and now this wing. Okay, wings are done. Let's do the body. There's some shadow down here. We want this little guy to look round. Cute. Now I'm going to do the planks. You can dry brush it. I'm going to leave that white, the tail feather. And you can add watercolor to it. You can add some browns. The background of the bird is water because he's landed up on a deck. Okay, get some of this ink, spread it around. Now get some of this paint that's on my palette already. It's a mix of a bunch of colors. You could do cobalt blue, you could do anything that would show like an ocean. I'm just going to add some eyes. We've got some sunglasses on and pull off the tape. And it was a quick one today. Just wanted to introduce you to the notion of continuous line drawing and let you take it from there. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give me a like and subscribe down below, and I will see you in the next one.